Folks, get your paws in your pockets, start digging out valuables. Now. Well, I got things to do later. You don't have none?
Nothing.
Why not?
Got a quarter?
She's got it.
What's she doing with it?
Hey!
She married me.
We're going to McDonald's!
Nice! I'm tired from hunger.
Yeah, we can even supersize it.
This
No,
fellow
I don't
bothering
want
you,
those
man?
pictures, dear.
No, why not? Might as well bother her.
You're not bothering her?
No.
Let's throw him off the train.
Last time we got that ticket, remember?
Oh, that's right, littering.
That looks like...
Hey, where are the horses?
I only tie them up on Wednesdays.
It is Wednesday.
Uh-oh.
Let's go hide behind the windows. The marshal will never see
It
us.
worked last time.
Yeah.
Smell a friend of yours here?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Williams, Arizona. On behalf of the entire crew of the Grand Canyon Railway, we
Speaking
thank
of
you
shifty
for riding
looking.
with us today. The gift shops at the Williams Depot and the Grand Depot Cafe will be open for you to pick up any last-minute gifts or souvenirs.
Hear that?
I don't like your parties. I get all choked up at hanging.
Well, you ain't got to think much of this one either. Get on down.
They're real swing affairs. Everybody just drops in.
The Arizona Quiz will stop by the Grand Canyon Railway Hotel, just north of the depot.